Welcome to Abduls Pro Construction QA/QC Quality Academy. Our today's video is about certified QA/QC engineer and inspector HVAC from ABI Certifications USA, which is applicable for oil and gas, petrochemical, LNG, power, and EPC construction. What is HVAC? HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. These systems work together to maintain a comfortable and healthy indoor environment by controlling temperature, humidity, ventilation, and air quality. Heating provides warmth during cold conditions, ventilation supplies fresh air while removing contaminants, and air conditioning cools and dehumidifies indoor spaces. Today, HVAC systems are essential in residential buildings, commercial complexes, hospitals, airports, industrial plants, and data centers, where reliable environment control is critical for both occupant comfort and equipment performance. Let's see which industries are using HVAC systems. HVAC systems are used in almost every type of building and industrial facility. Commercial buildings rely on HVAC for occupant comfort, while hospitals require precise temperature, humidity, and air filtration to maintain patient safety. Pharmaceutical plants and clean rooms depends on strict environmental control for product quality. Data centers use specialized cooling systems to protect critical IT equipment, and airports, hotels, educational institutions, and industrial facilities all require reliable HVAC systems to ensure safe, comfortable, and efficient operations. This makes HVAC quality control essential across a wide range of industries. Here is an image of major HVAC equipments. An HVAC system consists of several major components working together to provide heating, cooling, and ventilation. Chillers produce chilled water for cooling large facilities, while air handling units condition and distribute air throughout the building. Fan coil units provide localized temperature control in individual rooms. Cooling towers reject unwanted heat from water cooled systems. Package units combine multiple HVAC functions into a single outdoor unit. Ductwork distributes conditioned air, dampers regulate airflow, and diffusers ensure even air distribution within occupied spaces. As an HVAC QA/QC engineer, every component must be inspected before installation, during installation, and before commissioning. Let's have a look on the roles and responsibilities of an HVAC QA/QC engineer and inspector. An HVAC QA/QC engineer or inspector is responsible for ensuring that every HVAC system is installed in accordance with approved drawings, project specifications, and international standards. Responsibilities include reviewing design documents, inspecting incoming materials and equipment, monitoring installation activities, verifying compliance with applicable codes, witnessing testing, adjusting and balancing, confirming pre-commissioning activities, maintaining quality documentation, and ensuring that all non-conformities are corrected before the system is handed over. These responsibilities are essential for delivering safe, reliable, and high-quality HVAC installation. This aligns closely with the Saudi Aramco competency requirements, which expect HVAC QC inspector to have comprehensive knowledge of HVAC systems design, equipment materials, construction, pre-commissioning, relevant engineering codes and standards, and inspection, testing, and balancing procedures. Let's see some of the international codes and standards. HVAC quality inspection is governed by internationally recognized codes and standards. ASHRAE provides guidelines for HVAC system designs, energy efficiency, and indoor environmental quality. SMECNA establishes standards for duct fabrication and installation. NFPA 90A covers fire protection requirements for air conditioning and ventilation systems, while the IMPO Uniform Mechanical Code specifies mechanical installation requirements. NEB provides standards for testing, adjusting, and balancing, commonly known as TAB. MCAR defines performance requirements for air movement equipment such as fans and dampers. NCA ASME B31.5 B31.9 applies to refrigeration and building piping systems. And UL 181A 181B specifies safety requirements for air ducts and connectors. Compliance with these standards helps ensure safe, reliable, and highly quality HVAC installation. The standards listed here are consistent with the HVAC QC inspector competency requirement in the Saudi Aramco qualification document. Let's see which quality documentation is required in HVAC projects. Quality documentation is an essential part of every HVAC project. Before construction begins, approved shop drawings, material approvals, inspection and test plans, method statements must be available. During installation, inspection request and material inspection records verify that work complies with project requirements. During testing and commissioning, tab reports and functional test records confirm system performance. At project completion, as built drawings and operations and maintenance manuals are submitted to support operations and maintenance. Accurate documentation provides traceability and demonstrates compliance with project specification and quality standards. This reflects the emphasis in the Saudi Aramco Schedule Q document on maintaining approved project quality plans, inspection and test plans, quality procedures, work instructions, and complete quality records throughout project execution. What are the key inspection focus areas in HVAC projects? HVAC quality inspection begins with verifying that equipment is installed in the correct location and properly aligned according to approved drawings. Inspectors check ductwork fabrication, supports, hangers, and ceilings to prevent air leakage. Refrigerant and chilled water piping are inspected for correct routing, joint quality, pressure rating, and proper insulation. Condensate drain piping must have the correct slope to ensure effective drainage. Fire and smoke dampers are verified for correct insulation and accessibility. Finally, airflow measurements and system performance are checked to confirm that HVAC system operates safely and efficiently before testing and commissioning. What is testing and commissioning? After installation is complete, the HVAC system undergoes testing, adjusting, and balancing, commonly known as TAB, followed by commissioning. During this stage, inspectors verify airflow, air balance, temperature, pressure, and overall system performance against the design requirements. Refrigerant systems are checked for leaks, and functional test confirms that equipment operates correctly under normal conditions. Successful testing and commissioning demonstrates that the HVAC system is safe, efficient, and ready for operation before final client acceptance. Let's have a look on some of the common HVAC quality issues. During HVAC inspections, several common non-conformities are frequently identified. These include air leakage from poorly sealed duct joints, improper sports and hangers, damaged or missing insulation, incorrect installation of HVAC equipment, refrigerant or chilled water pipe leaks, inadequate condensate drain slopes, missing or improperly installed fire and smoke dampers, and incomplete quality documentation. Identifying these issues early allows corrective actions to be taken before testing and commissioning, reducing costly rework and ensuring a safe, reliable, and high quality HVAC system. HVAC quality assurance and quality control play a critical role in ensuring that heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems are installed safely, efficiently, and in accordance with project specifications. A successful HVAC QA/QC engineer combines technical knowledge, international standards, systematic inspection, accurate documentation, and effective testing and commissioning practices. By following these principles, quality professionals help deliver reliable HVAC systems that meet client expectations and perform efficiently throughout their service life. This slide presents the comprehensive portfolio of professional training and certification programs offered by Abduls Pro Private Limited. We provide QA/QC certifications for inspectors, engineers, and managers across multiple engineering disciplines, along with internationally recognized ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001 lead auditor trainings. Our portfolio also includes construction management certifications such as CPCM and CCS, as well as Six Sigma, Green Belt, and Black Belt programs. Each program is designed to develop practical, industry relevant competencies that support career advancement, professional recognition, and excellence across the engineering, construction, and quality management sectors. Thank you once again for your time and participation. We wish you continued success in your professional and career journey.